Hello guys, so today my group will be showing you guys tips on how to use presentation tools. There will be 5 parts of explanation, starting off with the installation of PowerPoint. So first we will be opening Google Chrome. Go to the search bar and type Microsoft PowerPoint download. Click on the second link. This is where you can download PowerPoint for free. You will see a button, download for Windows. Click it, and once it finishes installing, go to the search bar on your desktop. Type PowerPoint, click open, and you'll be seeing there's a lot of themes for you to do your presentation slides, but for now we'll be using blank presentation. And here's where you can do your presentation slides with different designs. And once you're done with your final work, you will need to save your file. So you will need to go to the file, click Save As button, click Computer, click the location that you want to save your file, name your file, and save it. And here's how you can install your PowerPoint and how to create and save your file. So we'll be proceeding with step 2. Thank you.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Today I want to teach you how to make a presentation slide. So firstly I want to change the design. So I click the design button and choose what design that we like. So I will choose this design and just add the title, English Proficiency 3, and of course my lecturer is Mr. Remesh Dayanandan, and I want to adjust this font to change it to bench-rough semi-bold condense, and we can decrease the size or increase the size. And also the subtitle I want to change to Arial narrow. I can increase the font and decrease. So I will show how to add an animation to the slide, to the box of our title. So I choose this animation and Mr. Remesh Dayanandan to zoom. So this is how we can make a simple slide, and we can add a new slide using, you can choose table contents, etc. and many more. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Noel. So I will continue to teach you how to insert picture, video and audio in your presentation slide. So first I will teach you how to insert picture. First, you need to click on this insert option here and click on pictures and select the picture that you want. For example, this is the picture that I want. And you can resize the picture by dragging off one of this point here like this. And if you click on this picture, the format option will be available in the menu section, and you can change the picture style, picture border, picture effect, and so on. And you can also crop your picture by clicking on this point here and crop however you want. For example, like this, and click on it again. That's how it will be. And in this step, it is all depend on your creativity, how you want your picture to be presented in your presentation slide. So next, I will teach you how to insert audio. First, you need to click on this insert option here and click on this audio here and select the audio file that you want. For example, this is the audio file that I want. An icon will appear on your presentation slide. So if you click on this icon, you will see the format and playback option will be available in this menu section. So for format, you can change the design of your icon by and so on. And for playback, you can trim the audio, you can fade it and fade out, you can change the volume, and you can also decide when the audio will play. For example, for audio, I will usually use automatically. So let's see how it will be. As you can see, the audio will start automatically when you present the slide. So next, I will teach you how to insert video. First, you need to click on this insert option here and click on this video here and select the video file that you want. For example, this is the video that I want. Okay, first you can resize the video, and if you click on this video, you will see the format and playback option, and just same as before, you can change the video style, video shape, and so on. And for playback, you can trim the video, you can fade it and fade out, change the volume, and decide when the video will play. So for video, I usually use when clicked on. So let's see how it will be in your presentation slide. So in this presentation slide, you need to click on this play button to play the video.
On the types of.
And that's it for insert picture, video, and audio. Thank you.
Hi to Ramesh and my fellow friends. Today I will explain about how to create hyperlink with Microsoft PowerPoint. First of all, we need to type a words. So I will choose word among us. After that, we need to select all of these words and right click, add mouse. After right click, we will click this hyperlink. We click this. After that, we just choose what the file that we want to create hyperlink with that word. So I will choose the Among Us photo. So I choose the Among Us and press OK. So the words will change from black to this color. After that, when we go to present, okay, when we click these words, it will bring us to this particular photo because I choose this photo to link with the words. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, hey guys. Okay, today I'm gonna talk about explain a little bit about how to get an interesting and a good slide. Okay, first we are going to go to www.slidesgo.com. Okay, when you are in here, you can choose about thousands and thousands of different slides. Okay, there are many genres of slides today. Okay, when you can see here, the popular slides related to education, business related slides for marketing, medical, multi-purpose, and infographics. So there are thousands of slides for each category. Okay, when you click on a sample slide, okay, let's click here and click this slide. Okay, so there is an option for you to download from for two different types of formats, which is the Google Slides or the PowerPoint. Okay, now I'm just gonna download this one right here, and there you go, guys. Okay, this is the slide which I have just downloaded right here. The slide is here, and there are different slides and different emojis for you to choose from here. Where you can still customize on these things when you just can move around this split here. Okay, we are just have to enable editing here, and you can move around with the designs all over the place. Okay, that's all from me, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.
Throughout this whole video, I realized that this tutorial video on how to use presentation tools not only useful for students who watched it, but also for me, because I've learned a few great tips that were demonstrated by my group members. And also thanks to my group members, we were able to plan, discuss, and film the tutorial video by distributing the tasks among group members. And lastly, I hope through this tutorial video, the students who watched it will realize that it is not that hard to use the presentation tool, and they will have fun exploring it. That's all, and thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is MOHAMAD bin ZAHARI. I would like to share with you all about my reflection during our video creation for the speaking test. As we all know, presentation are important for students. As for my part is how to add a slide, how to choose a design, how to search and insert the design on the slide, and how to add a text in the slide, how to add a transition and animation for the slide. From this speaking task, I can boost my communication skill, which I can improve my grammar, my pronunciation, and my vocabulary. From this speaking task, I also can gain some knowledge about Microsoft PowerPoint tips and anything. For the group mate, my group mate is SNAYGAH, Noel, Chrisley, HIJAZ, and ANUAR. They are very conscious about doing this speaking test. We did a very good job, which we already organized what content that should be in the task. We also organize what should we do on every week to see group work progress. For me, this is the best group mate I ever had. I really hope that this speaking test can tighten our relationship and do some collaboration in the future. Actually, this group can make our bonding be more comfortable, and it's really help us for doing this assignment. Lastly, I would like to give an honor and thanks to my lecturer, Mr. Remesh Dayanandan, who have teach us a lot this semester. For sure, for this assignment. I hope to see him after this COVID end, and after this semester break. I also will not forget to my classmate for the every helps about the task. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Noel. For this reflection part, I would say that before we proceed to record our own part of video, me and all my group members will actively discuss in our WhatsApp group about how to divide the task among us, who will compile the video, and so on. And while conducting the task, I have learned new things such as how to use presentation tools like Microsoft PowerPoint really well, and the tips given also really helpful for me to create a good presentation slide in future. My group members also give full cooperation, and they done their own part right on time, so that it is easier for me, the one responsible for compiling the video, to compile the video and send the video right on time. And I hope by watching our video, the audience can also learn new things and improve how they use presentation tools. That's all. Thank you.
Hi to Sir Ramesh and my fellow friends. I will tell you about my self-reflections through this assignment. This assignment made me brave to explain something in front of the camera. I'm also be brave to talk in English because Sir Ramesh say just talk and don't think about my broken English. I'm also proud to be able to share a new knowledge to others, because not all Microsoft PowerPoint user know about Hyperlink. I'm also grateful to have a supportive group and provide good cooperation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is HIJAZ RAHMAN bin Said RAHIM. My matric number is T201910872113. Today I'm gonna give about a little reflection about this assignment. Okay, this assignment is the speaking assignment. I would say is a very good assignment. Like, it does not only teaches us on how to speak on intonation and everything, but it also helps us to create new contents and everything. So I would say this is a very interesting and a very good assignment. And for my teammates, I'm very grateful. I have great teammates who help me all the time, and I'm really grateful to have them. And I hope that everybody in this course could succeed with getting A. And that's all from me. Thank you.